नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. I am JVN Dr. Anamika Aherwal, Associate Professor in the Department of Science and Technology at Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to take the lecture on the subject named Open Source Technology, and today's session is 10 multimedia software for Linux. So let's start. In each and every Linux user have a set of his or her favorite list. We have favorite applications, so that we people are using those, and we people are very much fond of using those applications. That some people's like media player, some people's like VLC, and some are as per our taste. Okay, so or as per our convenience. Okay, so the selection is influenced by their habits, preferences, and the distributions criteria which they use. So there are of course many list of multimedia software for Linux desktop also. First is the Miro media player. So Miro is one of the best multimedia player for internet TV for Linux desktop. It was developed by Participatory Culture Foundations, and it plays almost all audio and video formats. You can see in this screen. Okay, so the main features of this Miro is it remembers the last played positions. It supports all major video formats including MPEG, DIVX, AVI, etc. So this also supports bit torrent file download. And the second one is the VLC media player. This VLC is a popular media player in Windows and also made available for Linux desktop environment like Ubuntu too. Okay, so it is a free and open source multimedia player that supports most video formats. You see this screen. This is the VLC media player. Look like this. Okay, so the features of this is, remember last played position. Also it also supports all major video formats like MPEG, etc. And this also support bit torrent file downloads. And the third one is the UM player. UM player stands for the Universal Media Player, and it can play all kinds of media formats and also platform independent. So the user interface is aesthetically pleasing, simple and easy to use, and it is licensed under the GNU license and is free to download. So you can also watch YouTube videos on UMP player. So this UMP player look like this on your screen. So the features are search and play YouTube videos, and support almost 270 media formats including AC3, API, WMP, etc. And you can also record YouTube videos using UMP player. So it is a skinnable interface, and remember media position, and this is a localization support. And the fourth one is Digicam. Digicam is an advanced photo editing and management software which is available for all major operating system, which includes Linux, Windows and Mac operating system. So the peoples behind the creation of a Digicam are real professional photographers who saw the need to developing an application that can enable them to view, edit and organize their pictures, and also tag and share them with other people through this social media. So this is basically used for the professional photographers, you can say. Most of the photographers use this Digicam. So the features are import pictures, and you can edit and enhance pictures, create beautiful slideshows, create calendars, share creations to social media and organize your media. So this the fifth one is the GIMP. It is also popular photo manipulation software which helps to edit, enhance and create new images on your own, because nowadays students are very much curious to take selfies, and youngsters especially. So they usually install software in their mobiles of a photo editor and so on. So this might be helpful for these youngsters also. So there's also several tools available to resize, sharpen and add more effects on the photos, and you can even remove dust and red eyes in the images. These features we can basically found in our smartphones also. So the screen is look like this. So this is similar to Photoshop. GIMPs also provides the various photo editing filters and tools along with features like players and masks to give you complete control over the picture. And the features are lots of tools and filters, layers and masks available, image formats like .psd, .psp, that is paint, shop pro files are supported, and scan and print photos also. Now the sixth one is PITIVI, means it is a non-linear video editor using GStream for Linux desktop environment. This allows you to easily edit your video and audio and video files, and it has a simple view editing for basic editing projects to the full view of the complex mode. You can see in this desktop also. Here advanced full movie editing purposes also used in this software. So the features are allows for quick and simple editing and accepts all major formats, as it's supported by GStreamer and various animated effects, transitions and filters available. And the seventh one is the Lightworks. This is another popular non-linear video editing software that can support up to 4K. It is being used in the cinema industry for editing and adding effects into the scenes, and many of the scenes which picturize in their different location, but it look like after editing that scene was shooted in that location actually. So this is the case of editing and add effects into the scenes. So some of the popular Hollywood movies like Wolf of Wall Street, Heat, Road of Perdition, Pulp, Fictions, Hugo and many more films were editing using Lightworks. This is the screen you are seeing here. Now the features are support all major formats, dedicated web export feature and precision editing features, real-time effects, hundreds of presets available for animation. And the eighth one is the Audacity. If you want to edit and record audio in a Linux desktop environment, then you can choose a better tool like Audacity. So with this tool you can record live audio through microphone or a mixture. Now this is the screen you see here, the Audacity, and the features are level meters of monitor volume levels, and this capturing stream audio as well. And the ninth one is the Mix is a DJ software where you can mix all kinds of music formats and use it for live performance in hotels, parties, etc. And you have complete control with various filters like speed controls, etc. And you can also use Mix to synchronize two different streams, and then uses a background algorithm to find a beat involved. So if composers also like to use this software, and the features are support for all latest DJ techniques, extensive support for DJ controllers, and support cover art too. And the 10th one is the Banshee. It is a popular music player for Linux desktop environment also, and with Banshee you can easily organize music and video files. You see here in this screen also. The features are the powerful search features, search and subscribe to podcast, synchronized device, also buy music from Amazon, MP3 store from Banish. So this is all about multimedia software for Linux. So thank you so much. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.